How to gain weight in 90 days. Gaining weight in 90 days can be achievable with a well-planned diet and exercise routine. Here are some tips to help you gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way. 1. Eat more calories. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than you burn. Aim to eat 500-1000 extra calories per day than your maintenance level. You can do this by adding calorie-dense foods to your meals such as nuts, dried fruit, nut butter, avocado, and olive oil. 2. Eat protein-rich foods. Protein is important for muscle growth and repair. Include protein-rich foods in your meals such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and legumes. 3. Lift weights. Resistance training can help build muscle mass and increase weight. Aim to lift weights 3 to 4 times per week and focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups such as squats, deadlifts, bench press, and rows. 4. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is important for muscle recovery and growth. Aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 5. Avoid sugary drinks. While it's important to consume more calories, avoid sugary drinks such as soda, juice, and sports drinks. Instead, opt for water, milk, and protein shakes. 6. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to gaining weight. Stick to your diet and exercise routine for 90 days and track your progress along the way. Remember that gaining weight in a healthy way takes time and effort. Consult with a registered dietitian or a healthcare professional to create a personalized plan that works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.